Yo, we doing a quick little short video. It's the day before the 4th and motherfuckers is going off, but we not talking about that. Long story short, I was driving down the street and I thought someone blew the horn at me. Come to find out, no. My fucking car kept blowing the horn on its own. Every time I made a turn, anytime I hit a bump, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, oh shit, it's the E46, totally forgot. I'm like, wait, we gotta stop this because motherfuckers gonna be mad at me thinking I'm blowing a horn at them. Alright, so rule number 1 for you guys. If you have this issue with your E46 and you're driving your BMW and don't want to be a dickhead, pull the fuses for the horn, okay? And this is how we're gonna flip this around. I'm gonna get my little handy dandy flashlight out for you right quick. I'll make sure I always keep that around. I think I got it around. I don't know, Alright, we're back. Got the flashlight. Harbor Freight Special Quantum. Yeah. So look, when you go in here, you look up in there. You look up there, you can see you got that little tab, that little white tab right there. You're gonna twist that, and then on this side you got another one. You're gonna twist that. And once you twist those, it should drop down and reveal your damn fuse box. So in there, you're gonna pull fuse number 5, which should be right here, and then you're gonna pull 55, which should be down here, I believe, and it's gonna be like a 15. You wanna double check. I have a little sheet right here, but also, with it being a BMW, it's numbered underneath this. So when you pull this card out, it should already be numbered there and numbered up top, so you'll be able to know exactly which fuse you're pulling. So keep that in mind, double check those, get that taken care of, be smart. Don't be like me, driving around blowing the horn at people for a minute before you do it. Do it right away. See it? Fixed it. Oh yeah, and this is brought to you by the drive-thru at Taco Bell, because that's where we just were. Like, yeah, I did that on the way to a Grubhub order. We're that cool.